250,000 packs are moving every single month. Think about that for a second. That is 250,000 people buying into the promise of better skin and stronger nails. My social media feed has been a non-stop parade of before and after photos lately. It seems like every person I follow is stirring this specific powder into their morning coffee. I spent some time digging into what makes this brand actually tick. This is the Nutrition Geeks formulation. They are using triple filtered grass-fed bovine collagen. You are getting over 12 grams of protein per serving. That means this powder is more than 90% protein by weight. At around $24 for a monthly supply, the price is actually quite aggressive. Most of the premium brands out there are charging double that amount. They have nearly 90,000 verified ratings on Trustpilot, and the feedback is overwhelmingly positive. But here is where the story gets really interesting. Most companies try to cram as many buzzwords as possible onto their labels. They want you to see vitamin C and hyaluronic acid because those names sell products. Nutrition Geeks actually took those ingredients out. They realized that adding those extras causes the collagen peptides to break down over time. It ruins the smell. It messes with the texture. It even hurts the overall effectiveness of the powder. Removing popular ingredients for the sake of long-term quality is a move you almost never see in the supplement world. It shows a level of transparency that is genuinely rare. Most brands would rather keep the flashy label even if the product degrades on the shelf. When it comes to the actual experience, the taste is a bit of a toss-up. Most people say they cannot taste a single thing when it is mixed into a smoothie. However, a small but vocal group of users definitely notices a lingering aftertaste. If you do try it, the 4 to 6 week mark is usually when people report seeing changes in their nails or skin. The customer service also gets high marks across the board. But we need to address the elephant in the room that nobody seems to want to talk about. The entire collagen category is facing a massive research problem right now. A recent massive review of over 20 clinical trials found something unsettling. Once you filter out the studies funded by the supplement industry itself, things change. High-quality independent research shows no significant benefit for skin health. The claims about hair growth have almost zero clinical support at all. This is not just a problem with one specific brand. It is a massive blind spot for the entire industry. Most reviews ignore this part because it is not fun to talk about. It is much easier to just show a shiny bottle and promise a glow up. My take on this is pretty straightforward. Nutrition Geeks is a solid, well-run company. They are being honest about their formulation and their pricing is fair. They are not trying to hide behind proprietary blends or overpriced marketing campaigns. If you are determined to try a collagen supplement, this is easily one of the best options on the market. Just keep your expectations grounded in reality. The science is still very much up in the air. The improvements you see might be very subtle or even non-existent. It is a high-quality product in a very murky scientific category. You are paying for the best version of a product that might not even do what the ads claim. That is the reality of the supplement world. It is about weighing the cost against the potential for a small win. Now you have the facts to decide for yourself.